Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use styles in Google Vids. So I've got this new Google Vids scene. I added it from a template, but you might notice that the design on this particular scene doesn't really match the design elements for the rest of the video project. To deal with that, we're going to go to Scene and then click on Styles. And I'm going to go to Apply Styles. And basically what this will do is it will take the styles for the video at large and then allow me to apply those same styles to this particular scene, right? So I can either apply it to every scene in the video project, or I can apply it to just this video. And if I click on that, you'll notice that some of the colors change, but if you look down here, you'll see that that actually better matches the style for the rest of the video. Or if I go to customize styles, I'll have the opportunity to change some of these style elements myself, change the text, font, whatever. So you can play with styles even after you choose a template for a scene. The template doesn't dictate necessarily what that scene is going to look like. You can apply different styles yourself to make it look even more professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.